really honored to be here tonight. It's been a rough few days. I don't want to burden you with my problems, but we do have a family emergency back home, so I won't be able to stay for the entire evening, but I just wanted to honor my commitment by being here because I said yes. And I want to be here to support the girls, to support everyone, and just show up. And I just want to wish all of the candidates good luck. Everybody looks so beautiful. Lahat talaga magaganda. And I just want to say thank you to my best friend as well, Danita Rose Palad, because she offered to take my place as a judge, and I believe that's what friends are for. In times of distress, you help one another and you just make sure that you're okay. So, and you're also my kumare. It's Lorene's birthday soon, so she's waiting for your angpao. So I love you guys. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna just wait for my flight and see if it's confirmed for tonight. But in the meantime, I will enjoy the show and I will be judging these magnificent candidates on stage tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupa.
And also thank you to Ms. Nurazon for understanding my predicament. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rupa. So good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen,